Today we cover basic barrel cleaning for the Daisy 880. And so I have a loose barrel assembly. It's a Daisy 35. It's nearly identical to the Daisy 880. So, okay, so we're going to have this and an actual gun. So let's go over scenarios here. If you get a brand new gun that's in good working condition, like my Shadow here, the easiest route for most people is just to go with the cleaning pellets. So breech to crown. So you go back to front, and the cleaning pellets are great because you just shoot them through. Okay, if your gun is shooting well, I feel confident to take the gun apart. But if you don't have a lot of practice with that, when you get the gun and it's new, so a simple way to do this is treat one of these cleaning felts with Ballistol and load it in there. Okay, and shoot it through your gun. Go 2 pumps. 1 pump's not enough. It gets stuck in there. Okay, it's kind of awkward on video, but anyway. Okay, so there we go. So then I shoot it. Okay, and then follow up with the dry one. And the cleaning pellets are just so convenient. Okay, so again, so let's see if we get better. There we go. Okay, I got better angle on that. Okay, and then again. Okay, and that is a quick and easy way to do that. Brand new out of the box. If you want to do that method twice, after a tin of pellets, now you really don't need to clean the gun that much. Now let's talk about what are you exactly cleaning in this. Because what is this? How is it different than like firearm? You don't have the powder buildup in this. Basically, factory grime, get rid of that, and then over time from lubing the gun, oil gets into your barrel, and it's just oil buildup. And graphite from pellets, it doesn't hurt anything. So oil buildup, and so running cleaning pellets through there like that is an easy way to do that. After a tin of pellets, when you oil the gun, that type of thing. Okay, so, all right, now let's go to a scenario where you bought a used gun. Right, I'm very comfortable taking these guns apart, but let's say, you got a used gun and it's not shooting well and you got to take it apart. Okay, so now you'll get access to the valve body. That's this part and the barrel. So it's a unit, valve body, barrel. Okay, so now you have access to the breech, easy access. It's going to be outside your gun. And so one of my things for air guns, there are hardcore whip snake guys out there, but this is just very light, gentle work on your air gun, so it doesn't threaten it at all. You can wash this and reuse it. So we'll go through a couple scenarios. Okay, so you're taking apart your gun, you got to change out the seals. It's been used, they didn't take good care of it. So now you have breech access, and you're going to go ahead and get in there. All right, so with this bore whip, you're going to want to twist it to get it started. All right, and then get it in there. There we go. And then, so breech to crown. All right. And there it is. So then from there, just push it all the way out. Okay. All right, and then you do that. Now, if you have a snake you really like, this is just one tool. If you have a snake, then you go ahead and get a patch out. And like I said, I know there are guys that are really big believers in snakes. Just be careful, it's a good snake. One comment a law enforcer wanted me to make is that if it's a bad snake, it can hacksaw the breech. So just make sure you have a good quality snake. All right, so if you're going to go that way, you use a patch and a snake. So we'll put Ballistol on the patch, and we'll just use the back of that bore whip. Okay. Okay, so then again, so this is another way to do it. Imagine this is your snake of choice. The bore whip's a form of a snake. So then, okay. So there you go. And then out, pull it out all the way. In that case, there we go. That comes out too. All right. So it's pretty basic stuff, and that is about it. And like I said, so if you want easy breech access to an 880, take it apart if you're comfortable. Otherwise, if you're new to this, and some people are scared to take apart the gun, I get it. Don't get in there if you're not comfortable like I am. The cleaning pellets, one treated with Ballistol followed by a dry one, is easy to do, and you can do that with a brand new gun, used gun if it's working well. And that's just a simple way to go with the cleaning pellets. Okay, thank you.